Okay, here's how we teach our 40-yard dash starts. We're going to use this line right here as the starting line. Okay, so we're going to start both our feet up on the line together. Okay, then we're going to go 1.5. Okay, which means I'm going to step back, toe to heel. Okay, and now with my opposite foot, I'm going to go a half. Okay, so I'm going to put my toe right into the arch right there. Okay, and I'm going to widen it out. That's where my feet are going to stay. Kids need to experiment with which foot they want to be their force foot, and which foot they want to be their drive foot. Okay, this one's going to be the one that's driving forward. Okay, this one's going to be the one that's forcing all the action coming off. So they got to figure out which foot that is on their own. But anyway, we're going to get to the 1.5 here. Now we're going to fill the gap. There's a big gap here between this foot. That's the hand I want down on the ground. Okay, so that's the hand I'm going to put down first. I want to draw a line from the outside of my foot up to the line. That's where my thumb's going to go. Same thing on the other side. Okay, the side with the bigger gap, say fill the gap, that's the hand we want to leave down on the ground. Kids, high school kids, forget that. Next thing we do, we're in the crouch position. We're going to load the toes. Okay, we're going to rock forward. Okay, make sure we load up our toes. Okay, and we're ready to go here. One thing we're looking for as coaches is that our shoulders are directly over our hands. Okay, so when they come up and raise their hips, they don't want to be leaning way forward like that. That's too far forward. Okay. The other thing is when we raise our hips, this shin right here should be bisecting our shoulders. Okay. So if they're too far down like this, you can see it's ahead of us. So we need to raise our hips enough so this shin right here is bisecting our shoulders. Then we're going to load it up. Okay. When we get comfortable, okay, we're going to raise our drive hand, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Then we go. We want to drive our drive leg and our drive hand forward. All right. Okay, we want big strides, big long arms early. Okay. So one more time, we're going 1.5, 1.5. Slide it out just about shoulder width apart. Fill the gap. Okay. Thumb on the outside of the foot. Thumb on the outside of the foot. Get comfortable. We're going to load the toes. Hips up. 1,000, 2, 1,000. Drive. So that's what we're looking for. So once again, a few verbal cues. We want 1.5. Fill the gap. Load the toes. And then we're looking to drive. Okay, we have a drive leg. Okay, our drive leg. And we got our drive. Once again, we got our drive leg, which comes forward. And then our hand that we raise back, that's our drive arm. We want to throw those two forward. Big steps early, okay? And we want long arms early, okay? When we're doing eye socket, hip pocket, that's when we're in our gait, okay? Acceleration, we want long arms early, especially on our first 3 steps. So that's what we got.